Have you ever been to the heart of Europe? Prague is one of the most spectacular and beautiful cities in the world. With one of the lowest costs of living in Europe, Prague is the perfect city for students. It's also incredibly safe. UniStudy will get you there. With educational consulting, language programs, and career planning, we have everything covered. From our year-long English or Czech language courses to our direct-to-university program that helps you start university right away, we have something for every student. Our language programs truly prepare you for university by focusing on speaking and listening skills. And if you're an advanced English or Czech speaker, UniDirect is the way to go. With our language programs, you'll also receive a free career planning course. Ask us about LifeStart. In the Czech Republic, you can get a degree for free in Czech or as cheap as 250 euros a year if you study in English. Since some of the processes such as visas and diploma verifications may take a while, we suggest you get started today. Getting you accepted to the university of your choice is our #1 priority. We hope you choose Prague as your educational and career destination. Feel free to contact us with any questions.